In this video, we're going to enter the positions for the basic mouse functionality that we're capturing. But before we do that, we've got an issue here with our size. See, we don't really have a space for it. We need a little more space on the right, so I'm going to take this width and change it to 900. And now let's run this again. And bang, there we get a lot of space over on the right, so we can enter our values now. And we're going to go down to our method here, the set text positions. And there's our letter keys, and there's our number keys. And so now we're down at the bottom here. So we've got 6 labels and 6 values to enter. So text string mouse, left click, label pause, and an X and Y for each of these. So these are going to be columns over to the right, so the X numbers are going to be a little bigger. The Y numbers, however, are going to be the same kind of numbers that we've been using, back up to the top with a little bit of space left, so it's going to be 60. And then for the text string mouse, middle click label pause, X, same column, so 540 again. And then for the Y, it's going to be below it, so add 20 like we've been doing, so that makes this 80. Why don't we skip ahead here, so save a little bit of time. You can see, you kind of knew that was coming, and it's in your book if you didn't. So that's it, so that's those 3. Now for the next set, we've got text string mouse, X pause, label pause, dot X, still in the same column, so 540. We're going to skip a little more space than our 20 here because this is kind of a different section, so set this at 140 rather than the 120 if it was just still in the same column. Skip ahead, there's the other 2. Okay, so there's our labels. Now our values are going to be just out a little farther to the right, and these labels are a little bit larger because we're saying a little bit more than we do with the letters. So we've got text string mouse left click underscore pause dot X equals 760. And we set our width at 900, so we should be fine. Well, actually, I know we're fine because I set this up in advance and scoped it out a little bit. So then we're back up equal for that first one. So then we've got the left click. Now the next one is the middle click pause. So X still in the same column, so 760. And then the Y is going to be down just a bit, so that's 80, equal with the label, and you're getting the idea. So then we've got our right click, position X, same column, 760. And then the Y is, of course, at 100. And then the last section here. So we've got our text string mouse X pause pause. I love that. Sometimes how naming conventions work out. So same column. And we'll just skip ahead. So there they are. Okay, we've got them all in the columns. Get rid of this extra space. You can check it in the book if you want. We'll save it. And that's it for the positions.